Hello, welcome. I am going to show you how to draw 22 different styles of happy faces. This is number 2 coming up here. Just real simple cartooning experimentation as I go. My inspiration is I just use my imagination for a lot of these. Some of these I've seen other artists do similar, and I've always liked it, but I never wanted to 100% copy it because then it wouldn't be my own. So when you draw and you create, you got to find something that inspires you and just let your mind go and stop overthinking it when you draw. That's the one thing I've learned as an artist. So this is just styles that I've drawn throughout my years of doing art. It is very interesting to see what you come up with when you just start to add shapes and effects to your art. Next up is number 6. This was a little bit inspired by comics I saw in the comic books, like Garfield and stuff, kind of similar to that. That's what inspired that style for me. This style I kind of saw in a coloring book a while back, and it really inspired me to make my own version of it. I just like the sideway B effect to the eyes. So number 8, I am just now experimenting to see where light effects, like different light on the eyes when you draw. This is a little more of a complicated one. Number 9, I'm adding more of an anime manga approach to this one. It's just real simple. You just draw the eyes and then the mouth and everything. You just kind of go along and see what you create. A little more of a manga style, kind of inspired via Shonen Jump, the magazine. It's a really nice anime magazine. This is just smaller pupils in the face. To see how that looks. See how much more different. You just do different size parts in the drawing. Number 12. This one, I am just using half round eyes and just solid color, no shine. Number 13. This is a variation of the style I did just before. Now with shine in the eyes. Number 14. Just real simple dots and a line. Can't get more simple than that. Number 15. A little more of a manga style drawing here. I'm just kind of combining different styles, fusing them all to make one good style. That's how I've learned to draw the way I do throughout my years. Number 16 here is going to be a total hybrid of manga and cartooning. Mostly manga though. But the pupil size really can affect your character's personality. 17. I'm doing a little more different shine and highlights in the pupil, and it's just a different style. I use that a lot for my main character in my books. Now 18, getting ahead of myself here. I'm just kind of experimenting from here on out and just seeing what I can create. It's good just to create a sheet like this when you experiment. So 19. This one was kind of inspired from Sega and Sonic the Hedgehog. This is not 100% my idea, but I have been very inspired and done fan art like this before. Number 20. going for more of a manga approach again. A little more shine, double shine in the eyes to see how that is. Some hatching. A simple nose and mouth. Now 21. I'm doing more like a cool manga boy kind of eyes. Real simple, kind of cool, calm, chill. And finally, 22. Another bit of manga style here. Just totally solid shaded in. The dashed mouth. Show the cheeks. Here are my ways to draw happy faces. If you like this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.